Wanna know how to eat other snakes in Snake IO or kill other snakes? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you some secrets and explain you thoroughly on how you can easily do it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So the secret of eating other snakes in Snake IO is simple. It's all about cutting them off. Don't chase from behind. Instead, predict where they're going and dash right across the head. And boom, instant crash. The bigger the snake, the bigger the feast. So make sure you stick around crowded areas to find targets. Another pro tip, use quick dashes only when you're sure. Wasting boost can leave you stuck, and you might be the one getting killed instead. So that's it. Be patient, strike at the right moment, and soon you will be munching snakes like a pro. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.